Good morning, YouTubies. I guess I'll call you YouTubies. So I gotta go to Home Depot. I gotta get some flashing. Maybe it'll rain today. I doubt it. It's just been playing with us. But I gotta get some flashing so I can work on that side, left side of the house siding, and I've got that little triangle piece of the roof that goes over the kitchen that I gotta fix today. So I forgot to get this flashing 2 weeks ago, so off to Home Depot now and start up in however many minutes it takes. Yeehaw! All right, just about to leave Home Depot. Picked up the flashing, or whatever the heck it's called. Had to get two big, like 4 by 5 by 10 feet pieces, and then two smaller pieces. I forgot my tin snips at home, but I remembered the towels because I was afraid I didn't want to cut up the consoles. I did that in the other Navigator. Whoops. Anyways, so I bought some more tin snips. Ended up not needing them, I don't think. I think I'll be fine. So I got something to return to Home Depot. Do I really want to return a tool? I don't know. But time to drive home and get started. All right, here we go. Cue some fancy driving scene. I don't know. Alright, I'm back. So today's mission, I don't know if you can see it, of course, is to do that little strip underneath the window, and then there's a spot right over here, you'll see up there, and then maybe I'll get started there. Maybe. We'll see. We got a couple hours before the sun comes over. So, here we go.